Greetings from urban Honolulu. We've made it. We made it this far. Very nice city with a lot to do. Hotels right there. The ocean behind me. Very populated island, about 1 million people. Ready to go on the beach. Let's do this thing. Amazing.
Okay, are we taking him with you?
Beautiful views in here in Hawaii. It's crazy to think how big the island of Oahu is. The airport is really nice. It's, of course, hard to leave Hawaii, but the airport was really nice. I enjoyed it a lot. They did check our bags again for the agricultural. I just made it to Daniel Kaneohe International Airport. It's a very nice airport, man. Hawaii has got to be my favorite state, maybe. Nice check-in counters. Security line was pretty fast. There's no one in this line, guys. Very nice airport. Very lovely airport here in Honolulu. It's hard to leave the city, but never been to Houston, and it's my layover. So I'm heading up Charlotte, heading to where I live in Charlotte, but school trip, flying United. United does not have non-stop there from Honolulu, so flying to Houston first, and that'll be interesting. It's like an outdoor airport. That's amazing. Plane spotter's paradise right here. Man, I'm loving this airport, man. It's so amazing. The terminal I was in was pretty nice as well. It's kind of a long flight to Houston, but it'll be worth the flight. We flew from Chicago here to Honolulu about a week ago. It's so long, man, but it's all worth it. Hawaii is amazing. Got some pizza for a long flight. First time flying United 777. See how it is. Ha, Honolulu, man. It's nice. The airport's empty, probably because it's so late. It's not even that late though. It's like 6:30. But hey, I'll take it. Gotta love those candy stores. And there's my 777 United Airlines going to Houston. We are going up. Alright guys, we've just now boarded the 777 to Houston. The legroom was fine, pretty typical. Pretty nice seats, very large aircraft. There were no TVs though on a 777 overnight flight? That's insane. That shocked me. Well, I guess it's an older aircraft. They don't even have TV screens, man. Yeah, this is my my W aisle here. This is like gonna be the best flight to Houston, man. I have all my friends on it. So I'm gonna take. Alright, man. It's my friend. He's gonna be featured in this vlog today. Yeah, flying to Houston from Honolulu. How are you excited?
Pretty excited. This is gonna be a long flight, though.
It's gonna be long. I'm ready for it though. The chicken that was served was pretty good. It was cold, but other than that, really good. Chicken's good. This is really good. Macadamia. It's a pretty large aircraft, and man, those night flights are tough. This aircraft felt larger than the Dreamliner.
Email or do you
Houston. Great flight. Got a board flight to Charlotte now. Houston's George Bush Airport was very nice. We landed in the Sea Gates. Alright, greetings from Houston.